Okay, now let's look at integration. So now, under integration, we have two types of integration. There is the first part which we refer to be the definite integral, and there is the one we call indefinite integral. So those integration which they don't give the limits, where the function doesn't have the limit, it's what we call the indefinite integral. Then those functions which have a limit like this one, we have seen it's running from 0 to 1. So the lower limit which you have 0 and the upper limit which you have was 1. It's what we call definite integral because of the limit which have been given of the function. So now, how do we integrate this type of questions? So now let's proceed. Okay, so we have the first question, which we are saying the integral of 3x squared over, we have also what we are calling x3 plus 2. Okay, so now if you look at this question, there are different type of methods that you can use to integrate. There is what we call the integration by use substitution, integration by parts. Also, you can use partial integration. So these are some of the methods that you can use to integrate. Also, you can integrate by the standard or the power rule, or the standard rule of integration. Okay, so now if you look at this function, the best way we can integrate this function is the use of the use substitution, because this is where the power of use substitution comes in, because you have seen that if you substitute the denominator with u, you're able to eliminate the one which is on the numerator, which can work out. Okay, so how do you use use substitution? So you say you let the denominator, since the denominator is when you differentiate, it will give something like the numerator. So meaning that you let u be equal to x to the power 3 plus what? Plus 2. So differentiating this one, remember there's a dx here, we are integrating, sorry. So if you differentiate this, you're going to get du is equals to 3x squared. Then differentiating a constant, you just get 0, so we don't add. Then you just say dx. So now the best way is to make this dx as you make this dx as what? As the subject of formula, meaning you can divide both sides by 3x squared, even this side by 3x squared. So you remain with dx is equals to du over 3x squared. So this is what you substitute. This is what you substitute in the integration formula. So we proceed by saying the integral of 3x squared. Now remember here where we're saying there is a numerator, the denominator, which is x cubed plus 2. It's what we said is equal to what? To u. So meaning that you're going to substitute where there is this with the u, then times dx. Now dx here, you have said dx is equals to du over 3x. So where there is dx, again I substitute with what? Du over 3x squared. I hope we are following. So now if you have seen the way the question is, you have seen that here we have 3x squared, even here we have 3x squared. So this and that can cancel, meaning you're going to have the integral of 1 over u, then du. Okay, now remember from integration we have the integral of 1 over u du. Now we need to integrate 1 over u du. How do we integrate 1 over u? Remember that integration is the antiderivative of it's the antiderivative. In other words, the integrating is just the opposite of differentiation. Now remember, when you are differentiating in x, what do you get? You get 1 over x. Or you say if you are differentiating in u, you get 1 over what? U. So meaning that the integral of 1 over u, meaning the opposite of 1 over u, if we integrate 1 over u, 1 over x, we are get what? Ln x. If we differentiate, we get 1 over x. So meaning that even here, when you integrate in ln u, you get 1 over u. So when you differentiate ln x, ln u, you get 1 over u. When you integrate 1 over u, you get ln x. So meaning that where there is the integral of 1 over u, we get ln u plus c. We have integrated that one. Now remember where we are coming from. We have said that u is equals to what? X3 plus 2, meaning we can substitute where there is you will put this function, mean you're going to have ln x3 plus 2 then plus c. That's how you integrate with u substitution. Okay.